Like new. Own this completely remodeled ranch for an incredible price. Stunning and bright open floor plan offers versatility from the living room to the kitchen. Modern kitchen boasts two-toned cabinetry, stainless steel Samsung appliances, and eat-in area with slider to the back deck for easy entertaining. 3 ample-sized bedrooms are perfect for the growing family plus a home office. Sprawling square footage doesn't include the 550 square feet additional space in the finished basement. Expand your living area with a family room, playroom, home gym. The possibilities are endless. Hardwood flooring throughout, central air, modern bathrooms, and so much more. Spend your time social distancing in the backyard, giving you options for a patio, fireplace, etc. conveniently located to Middleboro Center as well as routes 44, 105 and 495. Own a new home for the new year. Call today. Roof, heating, air conditioner, doors, windows, kitchen, baths, flooring, plumbing, electric, are all new in a fenced-in yard.